It's Thursday. We're just finishing up week 3. Scaling, this is D6. Talk a little bit about coursework, get packet tracers finished up, so forth. Some of the issues, comment, activity. Packet tracer, all those things turn in. So even if you're missing some things, I mentioned today, you can get everything finished up and squared away by Tuesday. Finished up BTP, DTP, scale review lab. We're going to scale it. Add routers. We talked about ACLs, but we didn't do any. And we talked about reviewing the labs in the book. I mean, from the curriculum. So, access, DHCP, VLAN ports, should be able to get in. Distribution layer. I drew the network out. Got our LANs. And then we have this access into, into academic IT, into that switch. And so what they did, they IP address, talked about default, either default routes or static routes. Excuse me. And so they configured this today. And then tomorrow, we're going to clean it up and be all done. And then we go into chapter 3 on Tuesday. That's it.